Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application. And if you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to right here at the top we have ambient sound control, so you need to click on it, or we can also enter here by scroll down at the main menu and then go to device settings, and right here the same we have ambient sound control. Click on it. So click on it, and right here, well, of course you should select ambient sound to manage transparency mode. And firstly, we can adjust a level of transparency. By default it used 100%, but you can lower it by moving the slider to the left. Or you can increase it by moving it to the right. Also, we can select auto ambient sound and it will change this level. As you can see right now, we can modify it. It will change this level. It depends on your background. And you can set sensitivity for the transparency. So click on it, and by default it uses standard, but you can select high sensitivity or low. It's up to you by just click on it. Also, we can enable pass-through right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.